Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode, well, actually the next few episodes, going to be working on the Land Rover. So let's get this girl out of the shed and get into it. Alright, so the first job of the day while the engine's cool is we've just been having a little coolant leak from the bleed valve for the coolant on the engine. Now, I probably could have maybe found something from the local auto store to replace this valve, but I figure this little bit of hose has never been replaced since the car is new, so I've just got a whole replacement one. If you're interested, for the D3 TD-V6, there's the part number. The simplest of the simple for replacing. Obviously, we are going to lose a bit of coolant while we do this, so I'll have the new one ready to go. We'll keep it nice and quick. I'll just pop that clip off there. I'll just use the my multi-grips for this clip. And look at that, that's simple, done. So with this bleed valve, now I'm pretty sure there's just an O-ring. There's just a little O-ring just here, so you probably could replace that O-ring. You could definitely put a new O-ring on there. Yeah, an 8mm O-ring would sit on there okay, and that'd work. But like I said, this bit of hose has not been replaced, so this whole lot's pretty cheap. I forget the exact price. I'll whack it up on the screen, but if I find it. So at the start of this video, I did say these were going to be some short series, so it's short, real short. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.